Hi guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with a really cool wig install from my favorite Luvmehair wig. But under this, I have Faux Locs, or I'm in the process of doing Faux Locs. So this is definitely big head friendly for all my ladies out there who are afraid that their hair won't fit under. I have Faux Locs under here. So I hope you guys enjoy. Super quick, beginner friendly. There's no glue, no nothing, and everything looks really good.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with a Luvmehair wig install. As you guys can see, I'm actually working on some Faux Locs for my vacation, but right now we need to do a wig install. So what I'm gonna do is just briefly put on my bonnet. So we're just gonna put this on the back of our head to protect our hair. This is the wig, and when I tell you guys this wig is so beautiful, the hair is so silky and smooth. It's actually giving like a slight little body wave, which I absolutely love. These type of wigs are great when it comes to wand curling, or even straightening. So if you want like a more versatile wig install, this is the way to go. We're gonna do this completely glueless because as you guys can see, I have a hot mess going on. But yeah, let's get into it. So the inside of the wig, it did come with an adjustable strap that I would normally use. I probably still need to use it. And then on the inside, it's a full frontal. I always cut this little back flap off. I cut the back flap off just so it's super comfy, okay? Right now, we just need to try it on to see if we can do this. It's definitely big head friendly. You know, I have the dreads in the back. It's big head friendly. Okay, this is what it looks like on my head. Oh God, this wig actually will be really cute if you wanted to glue it down. We're gonna make it glueless for the sake of the video, but it's very good. Okay, so what I actually want to do right now is cut the lace off because this is going to be a glueless install. So we need to cut it off and then put it back on our head. So I cut the unit just close enough to the hairline, not too far away where you can't, you know, utilize it, but let's put it back on. And this time I'm going to add this elastic. So this time I did take off the bonnet. Just take your time. Okay, so I got my makeup brush. Okay, so what I actually want to do is just do a super deep side swoosh and stick it behind my ear, because this is going to ensure you don't see the lace. And then on this side, we're gonna swoosh the baby hair. Okay, so I just did a super deep swoosh, and what I'm doing here is just adding like a baby hair. And not even really, just to hide the lace. Okay, just kind of get it in your face how you want it. So as you guys can see, it's camouflaging the wig, like the lace, really nicely. Okay, so just kind of get it to where you want it. And you just cover up that lace. 110% say that this wig is big head friendly. And if you're the type of person who's needing a big head friendly wig, or you want to conceal some braids or some faux locs, this would be the perfect opportunity to do so. You guys seen how my hair was? I had locks in, but I love this. If you wanted like more razzle dazzle, do be sure to add some wand curls, but I just wanted you guys to see how quick and easy this wig install could be. I absolutely adore it. I think it looks super cute. It's actually really nice and long. Okay, so this is the length. I love the natural texture. Like I said, you can either straighten it, like this will straighten well, this will hold a curl well, or even if you like deep crimps, I feel like this is the ideal hair texture for me, because even if I wanted like a Jerry curly style, I could get a really tiny wand and wand it, you know what I mean? But I love it. I love it. It washed well. It bleached well, because I did bleach the knots on this unit. I wanted to make it as best as I could because I knew that I was going to be having locks, so I still wanted to give the element of gorgeous install, but I'm here for it. I can definitely wear my hair like this if I want to. It's super comfy, and I just love the texture of the hair. It did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but I did go out of my way to actually customize the hairline a little more, and I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is the side part that it came with. This unit came as a side part, but it is a frontal spacing, and when I washed it in the same direction as the wig, I think, or I changed it, I don't know, but I love it. So yeah, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me,
They gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an Ivy. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.